extraocular muscles. So you're looking at extraocular muscles and their actions. So what is the function of the medial rectus? Next, what is the function of the inferior rectus? And what is the function of the inferior oblique? So we'll find out the answers of these questions and we'll learn in detail. So firstly, we are going to look at the lateral rectus. So the lateral rectus, the primary action is nothing but the abduction. Next, we look at the medial rectus. So in case of the medial rectus, the function is adduction. Then we look at the superior rectus. So in case of superior rectus, it involves the elevation as well as the intorsion plus the adduction. So there are three components: elevation, intorsion and the adduction. Next, if you see the inferior rectus, so the inferior rectus, it deals with the depression, the extorsion as well as the adduction. Now moving on to the superior oblique. So in case of the superior oblique, what is seen is that there is intorsion, there is depression as well as the abduction. Then moving on to the inferior oblique. So inferior oblique has extorsion, elevation as well as the abduction. Now we are going to find the answers to our questions. So in case of the medial rectus, there is the adduction. And then moving on to the inferior rectus. So what is the function of inferior rectus? It contributes to the depression as well as the extorsion and the adduction. Then we move on to the inferior oblique. So in case of inferior oblique, there is the extorsion, elevation as well as the abduction.